Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you're trying to connect your R36S handheld to Wi-Fi, you might feel a bit confused, especially when you don't see a direct Wi-Fi option like on a phone. Many users try to connect it normally and think the device doesn't support Wi-Fi at all. The reason is that the R36S usually requires a USB Wi-Fi adapter, and without it, you won't be able to access wireless networks. This can make the setup feel tricky at first, but once you understand how it works, the process is actually very simple. The good thing is that after connecting to Wi Fi, you can update games, transfer files, and unlock more features easily. Try these. Step 1. Get a compatible USB Wi Fi adapter for your R36S. Step 2. Connect the adapter using a USB OTG cable. Step 3. Turn on your R36S device. Step 4. Go to the Settings or Networks section on the device. Step 5. Scan and select your Wi-Fi network. Step 6. Enter the password and connect.